Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So happy to have you here. Today we're going to do a Shop Miss A haul. Almost all of this stuff I did purchase myself, with the exception of a couple items that they did send to me because I am an ambassador for Shop Miss A / affiliate. That being said, if there is anything you want to pick up from Shop Miss A, it would mean the world if you could shop the link down below, because it does let them know that I sent you, so it helps me continue working with Shop Miss A, which you guys know, if you've been around for a while, I'm a huge fan. I have loved them like from the start. Obsessed. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, plus size fashion, vlogs, food videos, stuff like that. If you were into it, subscribe. Let's be friends. All right, let's do this. All right, so it's gonna be a little bit chaotic because I have I have 4 different packages, and I'm gonna pull stuff out, and I know there's some stuff that I ordered that they also sent me, and even one package like just arrived, so we have not even opened her at all. Okay, I'm just gonna go through. I am just gonna go through. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna scoot in a little bit. Look how cute this is. It is a PHA PHA travel case for the PHA PHA blender. I got the pink one. It comes in mint as well. It's a little cat. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's so many things in this haul that I am just gonna like kind of show you and go through. I might open some stuff, I might not. Anything that you guys want a full video on, let me know. I'm definitely gonna do another trying Shop Miss A soon. I have the Shop Miss A skincare video coming. It just keeps getting pushed back. Life has been crazy, lots of stuff. I'll fill you in a vlog soon. But anyway, how stinking cute is this? This is a PHA PHA, so I think it was $1.55. If you guys aren't familiar with Shop Miss A, they are pretty much like an online dollar store. I pretty much exclusively stick to like the makeup, sometimes accessories, and I love the PHA PHA blender. I think I have a new one in here too because I just needed to stock back up. But this is a little cat case, and it's even got like, I should just take this out of here. So on the bottom of this guy, it also has like the ridges that you can use to wash your brushes. So you have something to kind of rub it against if you don't want to rub it against your hand or whatever. But look how cute this is. You just like put your little blender in there. I'm always losing my blender, or my cats are always taking my blender out of my makeup bag that I use on the daily. So I thought this was perfect. I almost ordered both. I probably should have ordered both because she's so stinking cute. Oh my goodness, this makes me ridiculously happy. Girl, they are popping out skincare products so fast. I just got confused. There's some that I have a double of, but I think it's in the other package. These I just have one of. So we are gonna look at these. They did just launch a skincare line. Everything is like $1.77. Most of these products in these little packets are about half the size of the average skincare product that you will find at Ulta or Sephora. But again, keep in mind they are like $1.77 each, and they are $1.77 because it goes to, I believe it's a women's charity. I need to find out more about what it is. But this one right here is niacinimide, 2% plus ceramide and green tea foam cleanser. This hydrates and cleans. So this is the new cleanser. I want to do a whole video where I go over every single product that they've launched. I almost feel like I need to wait a minute because they're launching so many that I need to like find a sweet spot to where I can actually feel caught up. They did also just put out little jars and like a little spray container. So if you don't like this type of minimalistic packaging, or you want to put it into something else that you can reuse, I think that's really awesome that they did that. They just launched an eye cream. It's in all of this madness. I'm so excited to show you. CICA? I think one of you guys reminded me that's how you say it. I'm a licensed esthetician. I don't know why I forgot how to say that, but here is this one. CICA 7 Calming Complex is a gel moisturizer. Again, this one hydrates and soothes. This one I'm excited about. I'm just gonna leave it in there because you guys can see it, but it is a retinol product. How crazy is that they have a retinol product? It's retinol. Now you can actually see it. I feel like the packaging just will be too shiny and you can't. Holy Green Water Hydrating Serum. Oh, I'm so excited. They launched, because they started with like moisturizers and cleansers, but now they are truly rounding out like the skincare experience. If you guys want a video like where I'm going over skincare and I can put together a skincare routine for someone like me who has combo skin, and then like a skincare routine for someone who has oily skin. I have mostly dry skin, blah blah blah, you guys get it. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, because think about that, you can get an entire skincare routine for like under $10. Blows my mind. Holy Green Water Hydrating Serum restores skin barrier, dermahydrate 24 hours. You guys, girl, I'm excited. They're killing it. Killing it. All of the skincare. Ooh, we've got an AHA, BHA, PHA Toning Solution, exfoliates and cleanses. I love, this is how they are packaging things now to ship them. How, like, heavy duty. Launched a razor kit. I'm excited to try this. It looks a lot like the kind of razors that I actually really like to use. And they're like the Venus ones that have a similar head to this, that are round, that really kind of hug your skin so you're not like getting stuff caught. I bought some cheap ones from like TJ Maxx the other day, and no. I cut my leg. I am not excited about those. So I'm hoping that these, not to mention how stinking cute they are. I think they came out with more than one. And of course I got the cutesy pink and purple one. It may have been a men's one and a women's one. So this is one razor handle, 5 blade cartridges, and 1 razor holder. I think this was like $7, which makes sense because they usually charge like $1 an item, which makes sense. That's a good deal for a lot. That's a lot. They are just taking over, you guys. This is the toning solution, ultra hydrating, hyaluronic acid. I need to like round them all up and look at them all because I can't remember what I already have and what I don't have. Grabbed 2 of these jumbo packs of sheet masks. This is just something that sometimes I get to like randomly throw again in my Poshmark orders. I always love to give you guys little treats. If there's any that I really want to try, I will keep them, of course, because you get, I think, 10 masks for 12 bucks. Wait, 12 masks for 10 bucks? I think that's what it is. Yes, 12 masks for $10. And even sometimes when they do like their 11% off or whenever they're having sales on the whole site, it does count on their bundles, which is crazy good. This is a ton of different sheet masks. They have so many sheet masks on the site. I'm not going to bore you guys with everything that's in here, but there's a lot of good ones. The last thing in this first package is the Nude Wonder Blender. I love it. I think that I might actually love this nude one more than I like the pink one. The pink one and the nude one are definitely my 2 favorites. I feel like this one, something about the texture, it's like more porous, but in a good way. I feel like my foundation just looks the absolute best when I use my nude one. So I was like, I need another one. So I did pick up another No Pore Primer. Absolutely love that guy. Use it every single day. The Drop Liquid Foundation. I have a whole video on this if you are into it. One of my favorite foundations of all time, not just from Shop Miss A, and that's crazy. It's $1.88. Oh, and they did send me this little booger, which is Astro, and then I think the other thing, this is the Powlighter in Astro. It's my favorite highlight. Like, again, not just from Shop Miss A, probably of all time. And then I also purchased these, but they did send these over. I'm so excited. They reformulated their mattes, and they came out with a whole bunch of nudes and pinks and reds. There are 12 of them. If you guys want a lip swatch video on these, I was thinking about doing it, maybe making a TikTok too. This one looks really cute. This one is in Extra. I almost just got a couple of them, but then I ended up ordering the whole set, and then they sent me the whole set or something. I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. I don't know. When we do a whole video on these, that's when I will. This looks gorgeous. This is a nice bright red. This is in Crush. So they're supposed to be longer lasting, just better. This looks like a really nice pinky nude. This is Venus. Orangey based red, which is Siren. We've got this really pretty berry in Lush. That looks gorgeous. Got this hot pink in Fearless. Ooh, I already know that I like this color. This color is vintage. I have worn it before in their original formula, so I'm really excited to try this one. Got another red. I think this one's more of a blue-based red in Scandal. This looks gorgeous. This is Unreal. A nice kind of brownie red in Sugar. Ooh, I think I'm going to really like this one. This one's kind of a purpley mauvey taupey cool tone in Tease. And then a nice coral red in Serenity. Sorry I didn't swatch them all. I just feel like there's so many items in this haul that it's going to be overwhelming. But again, whatever items you want to see in a video, let me know. The Holy Green Water Soothing Mist. So I think this one needs to go in a spray bottle. I didn't even realize. So this is the Holy Green Water Soothing Mist. What are words? Soothing and hydrating. Oh, this is 1.85 fluid ounces. So this is a good size. You'll just want to probably put it in a spray bottle so it's an actual mist. And then Phyto Collagen Complex 10%. And then a Caffeine Eye Cream. You guys, I'm so excited for the eye cream. So here are these two. I like that they put the little packages like they would be, but I do like that they are low waste. They sent me these 3 things, just so you guys know, just to be transparent. Most of the stuff I did by myself. There's a whole other package of $35 worth of stuff. This is a huge haul. They did just send me, I think these just launched today. I'm really excited about it. This got smushed, probably by my cats. A little Jade Roller, and then a Jade Face Sculptor. I've been wanting to use these, so I'm excited to use this. It's supposed to be anti-aging, of course. Thank you, Shop Say, for those. We're on to the last package. This order I placed simply because I wanted the whole collection of those lippies, the new lippies, and look how cute this is. This is what they all came in. Obviously, I'm not going to show you this again, but just to show you, this is honestly all them lippies. Oh, I got another one of those packs. So all of those, that's like my go-to when I want to hit $35. I just grab another one of those. What's left in here is all lashes. Oh my god, why do you look extra beautiful today, Jean? Oh my gosh. Girl, did they like redo them? Let me look at these. So I ordered these before they just launched all of the new lashes. I haven't placed an order yet, but I need to place it as soon as possible because I need to check them out. I'll try and get them all just so you guys can see them all because it's really hard to tell online. I feel like sometimes it's just easier when like they're in the actual package and I can show you. And sometimes pictures just aren't the same as like actual movement videos. But girl, look at these Jean lashes. Like I love the Jean lashes, but there's something about these right here. Look how floofy these are. Extra fluffy. I don't know what they did differently to them, but these look extra gorgeous. I hope that you guys can see. It's so hard to show you, but they're like extra fluffy, and I'm all about that fluffy. This is just replenishments of the ones that I love the most. So I've got Jean in here. I've got some Jackie, which I'll show you. Jean and Jackie are my favorites. Jean are my favorite dramatic lashes, and then Jackie is my favorite like everyday lash, which is going to be dramatic for some people, but for me this is like an everyday lash. I think I just got Jean, Jackie, and then some Tory. The Tory ones, if you have hooded lids, I just wear these when I have a more dramatic look because they are so thick that if I wear it with a more natural look, they look like too much. But if I do have a more like a smoky eye or something on, I love these for that. I'm glad that I figured out how to wear them because I love them so much, but sometimes when I first started wearing them I felt like they were too much, but now they've become one of my favorites. I just have to wear them with certain looks. They're like if you took Jean and like made them a little bit shorter but kept the fullness, that's what these remind me of. So if you like a full lash but you don't want like the extra long beautifulness that is Jean and it's just like too much for you, which I totally get. You get what I'm saying? Picking up what I'm putting down? All right, loves. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Sorry it feels a little bit chaotic. I've been filming all day. Story of my life. But yeah, let me know which of these you want to see in a video soon. Again, definitely want to do the skincare video. Let me know how you want me to do that. Do you want a routine? Do you just want an overview? Do you want both? I feel like we could do both. We could do a video of overview and like recommendations and then an actual my skincare routine that I've put together with this stuff. But yeah. Thank you to Shop Say for the few things that they did send over. And of course, thank you to you guys using that link. It helps me keep working with them and that means the world. But yeah, all right. I am rambling. I'm gonna go eat a snack and get to editing. Actually, I'm gonna take a shower because I am freezing. Anyone else when you're freezing, do you like go like hop in the shower? It just like fixes everything. I can't wait to take a shower. Again, link down below if you want to use it. It would mean the world. I don't know what else I'm saying. Losing my mind. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Beauty, plus size fashion, vlogs, stuff like that. If you're into it, let's be friends. All right. Again, let a girl know what you want to see in a video soon. Love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Things because oh, now that's my butt. Come here. So if you do want to purchase anything from Shop Say, it would mean the world to you. I don't know. Anything that, sorry, cat hairs on my face. I said like too many times. Or words. So this is just a ton of different shape masks. Whew! Lose my mind. All right.